heard of Fiverr, as in FIVERR. Yes. So today we are looking at ways that we can make money using the platform of Fiverr. Stay tuned, or Fiverr or Fiverr, whatever, however it's pronounced. So stay tuned as we dive into it. I'll be behind camera showing you how it's done. As always, you go to Google and write in Fiverr, FIVER. Yes. And according to Wikipedia, Fiverr, I think it's Fiverr, is an Israel online marketplace for freelance services. And there are quite a number of services that you can either buy or you sell under this platform. So let's just try and go to the website to see what they have for us. And that is the website that you want to click, not the advert one, yeah? And yes, that's what you see. That's their dashboard. And you can either become a seller or you can become a buyer. A seller means that you have services that you are selling to different people around the world. And if you're buying, in a case where I want, say, maybe a logo to be designed, I can buy the service from the different graphic designers, for instance, who are on that platform. So you can sign in. If you have a Google account, that's a plus. You can sign it using it. Yes, so we're going to join in. We join in using Google, and yes, there we go. And if for you to be able to see that you have signed in, you will see your initial at the top mark there means that you have now successfully joined in. And I'm using a different account, bear with me. So there are different categories there that you can actually either be a buyer or a seller, but for the sake of this video, I just want you guys to be sellers. Yeah, we are tired of buying. It's good to buy, but sometimes you need to be the one who is selling that service. So there are quite a number of categories that you can actually look into. Some of these things you don't really need to have the skills to do it. Yeah, so in your spare time, find time and go through these different categories. Okay, maybe let's just go to the graphic and design, see what we have there. Yeah. Yes, so those are some of the things that can be done under graphic design. That's we have logo design, we have brand style guides, game art, signage design, poster design, like a variety of things. You know, they are talented people. Like I've seen a lot of art on Facebook, especially here in Botswana, where you have very talented artists, but unfortunately they're just confined to the local customers. And a few of us really appreciate art, but in this platform, we have people that really can actually buy the art. And you can see the different prices. So what we are seeing there, the thumbnails, those are for the different sellers. You can see the price there, $5, $25, $10, and $20, and that's many. Don't just look at $5. You know, it can be that this most of the time you need to have packages. You can have package 1, package 2, and package 3, charging at different prices altogether. So let's just click on that profile and see what the seller there has for us. So he says that he can create Facebook cover photo banner design, you know. And let's see the package, because the initial package for $5 is one cover header and matching profile picture and source file. So he will charge that for $5. And let's compare the packages. You see, you have the basic, the standard, and the premium, and the money differs, you see. So don't be just put off by the $5 that you see. You have different packages, and the more you do it, the more customers you have. Yes. Yeah, so let's go back and see again what can be done under Fiverr. As a seller, please, as a seller, you need to sell your services. Sell your services. So you can also search for what you want. If you want illustration, for instance, I just typed illustrations there, and you'll be able to see all the illustrators that are on this platform. And let's check again on the prices. I mean, if you can illustrate, again, this is a platform that you can actually sell your service. Don't confine yourself to the local customers. See the price ranges there, $10, $10, $20, 60. Yeah. See, and the beauty about this is you can see that the person is charging 20 and it's been rated, and 323 people have been serviced under his profile. And this one, 1,000 plus, and it's charging $60 per service. You don't know, maybe this is just a basic package. Probably there's also a standard and a premium package, and at that price the person is really making money. Kudos to him or her. And you can be that person. You just need to create a profile and put a few pictures that you have drawn, and anything is possible. And you can also see at Lifestyle we have online tutoring. I mean, if you are a guru in the subject, try it out. And the thing with online gigs is you need to try. You fail, you'll be fortunate for you to just try once and eventually get something. You just apply yourself, eventually you will get something. So this one here is a travel agent, and let's say I'll plan your vacation, holiday, or trip itinerary. This is something that anyone can do, really. I mean, yeah, anyone can do this. And the guy is charging $10, and I'm presuming that it's a basic package. You see, that's a basic package. Yeah, see what it includes here. Yeah, let's see all the packages. You see, $10, you have $20, $30 per service. And there are different things that can be done altogether that the seller can do for you. So yeah, try it out. You don't need skills for you to be able to do this. Go to the site and apply yourself. You can be a seller, and more than, I think it's 7 gigs or so as a maximum. Yes, so like I mentioned, there are different things that you can do under this platform. Please check it out and do your best. Otherwise, thank you for watching. Remember, we are on the financial series, and I'll see you in my next video.